Welcome to today's video, guys. Today we're going to be talking about that one thing that's breaking the internet and the automotive scene worldwide, and that is Cleetus McFarland's awesome birthing of the idea of the Freedom Factory. Oh man, he's gotten everyone around the world talking about it because he's done such an incredible job at providing this epic content that, oh man, everyone from Street Machine to Hoonigan to every car scene around the world, like Adam LZ, TJ Hunt, everyone is talking about Cleetus's new purchase of the motorsport park now known as the Freedom Factory. And you know what? We want in. All of us Aussies want in. I know everyone is itching at it. I don't know how we're going to get over there, but we're all coming and we're going to represent Australia. Don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going. I know that Hayden with a nut out, I know that he is more than keen to go. Jake is keen to go. We just need to freaking figure out how we're going to do it, but we're going to go. We're going to represent Australia and we're going to kill it. And of course, we're going to cover every second of it. Oh man, it gets me so excited. It was so stressful for like the days leading up to it because man, we did not want another case of roadkill. I know that everyone was freaking out, thinking that they were going to go to some paid subscription service, that they were going to, I don't know. We were scared they were going to ruin it. We were scared they were going to become too big for their own good. And like so many before them seemed to ruin it. And man, they crushed it. It's going to be an insane future ahead of us in the automotive scene, especially on YouTube. It's going to be massive. And God, we want to be a part of it. He came to us for Summernats. Now we're going to go to him for Cleetus and Cars Finals Championships. I forget what he called it, but oh man, we gotta go. Okay, enough talking about another man's YouTube channel and what they're doing kind of thing. Let's try and focus on what we're doing. So a while ago, I was thinking about, as you all know, changing the color of the wheels. And I think I've gotten that bug. I'm an addict, and the first step of addiction, the first step of overcoming addiction is admitting that you have an addiction. And hell yeah, brother, I have an addiction, and I'm sticking to that addiction. I don't know what it is, but I just love wheels, and I love getting new wheels. There's no better thing than new wheels. So as of last week, the Koyas are up for sale, and I have quite a few people that want them. So they could be gone any day now, and as soon as they are, I've already got a deposit set up for a new set of wheels. They're going to take a while to get here, but there is a new set of wheels in mind already that will come for the wagon and should look absolutely wicked, change the game. No wheels like this in Australia, no wheels like this on a Commodore. I like to be different, and I like to pay to be different. So other than talking about all that stuff, yet again, I don't have that much of an exciting life. I'm not a millionaire that can be doing stuff to my car every other day. So a lot of these videos do end up me just talking straight to you guys. But that's where it's good, because I like to ask you guys questions. I like to talk to you guys. So the one main thing that I want to ask from this is, obviously, since we were all just talking about it, do you want to see in November Picnic Media fly to America and cover what's probably going to be one of the craziest events ever? I think I know what the answer is going to be, and regardless, I think we're going to go. But we just, yeah. There's still a lot of, most of the year before that happens, so we're keen to do it. God, could you imagine if we got the wagon over there? I would happily destroy that thing and burn it to the ground doing crazy shit. We do have things in motion. There are things happening. And I love that the way that this year's shaping out. We could be traveling interstate. Oh, not only interstate. Of course we're going to be traveling interstate. We could be traveling internationally to cover more awesomeness around the globe. So if you haven't already subscribed, you need to subscribe, because you know that 2020 is going to be absolutely insane. It's already been an insane start to the year. We're only just in February and we've already accomplished so much this year. So it's going to be massive and it's going to be crazy. I don't really know what else I'm really going to film in this video today. I think this weekend I might be heading down to Melbourne. Jake's getting some headers made for the Mustang, so we might be doing some videos on that. So if we go down there, I'll vlog all of that for this. But other than that, I don't really have much else to talk about. I just feel like I really had to come on here and express the excitement. And I feel like I was a child when I was watching that video, that reveal video for what they were doing. That's one of the coolest productions I've ever seen. That video was wicked. Dude, it was so well done. It was so good. The hype train is real. Cleetus is just doing some insane things with that. But other than that, that's probably going to be it for what I'm talking about. Another question, aside from asking whether or not you reckon we should go over there to cover it, I have some choices to make with the colors of the wheels. I'm not going to give away any hints or anything like that, But I know that we've already done what color do you think these wheels should go to, but now I would really like to know, for a color that you think that would match this red really well, what color do you think we should make these wheels? Like the wheels that'll be coming, the new ones. Because, yeah, I like to change it up. I like to own wheels for no longer than 6 months, by the sounds of it, for some weird reason. And I like to spend a lot of money on wheels. But hey, that's what being addicted to cars is. Like, we don't know why we do it. We would be probably really rich and wealthy if we didn't have cars in our life. But hey, we do it because we like it. That will probably be it for today. So I got those 2 questions for you to answer down below because I like talking to you guys. I like being able to see what you guys think. And other than that, if there's any new viewers on the channel today, please consider subscribing because we do this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Drops at 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, or at least close to that and most of the time. But other than that, we do have some sick events coming up soon. Going to be covering some wicked stuff. I'm feeling like the Sydney Power Cruise is going to come up on us so quick. But yeah, I can't wait for that. As can anybody really. But yeah, other than that, that's probably going to be it for today. So I'm going to sign off this video. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Peace.
You bitching and bugging, there's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper, got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat. I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay, I'm